Hey guys, so this video is just for the Dodge Ram headlights because a lot of guys want to be putting LEDs on the high beam, which you can't put a regular LED kit like this because the fan will hit, it won't clear to put your dust cap back on. Because the dust cap is thick enough right here for the low beam to get covered, barely, the high beam won't clear. We also have this size for the low beams if you guys want to purchase those too. It's pretty cool because the fan's almost the same exact size as this bulb. So I'm not going to show you guys step by step how to install these headlights or how to remove the grille and the headlights, what you need to do to put them on this vehicle. But I'm just showing you guys that they actually clear, because I get a lot of customers always asking me which LED kit will for sure clear right here, because the other one the fan hits. To remove this cap when it's on, you just take off these. There is 5 of them that need to come off, and they're 8 mils. So 8mm, you take those 5 off and then the cap will just pop up. Like I said, I'll put the link for the description below for this one, and it's still cooled by a fan also. And it comes with 2 different gaskets. One if you're using it as a 9005, a thicker gasket if you're using them as a 9006, which is for a lot of vehicles for like the low beam. So it's just so you guys could see the difference. So it's not much thicker at all. It's almost the exact same size from the base to the back. And then I'll put a video, not from this car because the customer's not getting these. Since we have this vehicle here, I just thought I would show you guys that it fits. But I'll add a clip from a Honda Accord that I put these on, so that you guys could see how they illuminate, how they light up at night. So you guys see how to put the bulb in. There's one smaller tab and 2 bigger ones, so you just push it in there and twist it to lock it in place. And then you plug this end to your stock harness, which for the high beam would be this one. When you plug that in, if it doesn't turn on this way, unplug it and flip it around this way. And then to test these on your headlight, you'd actually make sure you plug this harness in. Just don't go sit the light up there. For this to get power, you gotta have this harness plugged back in. When you guys do the LEDs on the low beam for these Dodges, make sure you guys add a LED splitter too. I know this video is not about the low beam, but anytime you guys do those, add these. Otherwise, they're gonna start flashing and blinking.